first of all, I convey Happy New Year greetings to every one of you. So Ru Samson Singh the Talent Hunt Society is organizing Dance Krabi Long Dance Season 5. So the audition will be started from 24th of January this month. So this time DKD is organizing very unique, it's not like before. So the winner, those who have come out successful in the Season 1, Season 2 and Season 3 and Season 4. So like Dhanishan, Artich and Thongpi, now they got the opportunity to choreograph in many Krabi movies. So I hope that with this platform, many talented artists might participate, and so that they may get a bigger platform through this competition. So anyone can dance, you can dance, so don't miss in the competition.